Alright, what is going on, guys? The Teen Engineer here, and today we're going to be continuing the Skywalk Tower series. So yeah, this is my game. If you'd like to play, it's called Skywalk Towers, and also if you'd like to join my group, it's called Orion Entertainment Studios, and I have 58 members. So yeah, if you'd like to join, we'll try to get to 100 members. But yeah, basically last video we added a flashlight, and in this video I'm going to show you guys how to code it. So that it actually works when people buy it and it's not just like doesn't do anything, because Gamepasses have to do something. So okay, so what I'm gonna do, I'm probably just gonna use a free model because they work, and I don't need to model it from Blender, even though I could, but that's okay. Going to see this light doesn't actually do any light, so I have to add that. It already has a handle, but I'm probably gonna need to. I might need to change that, but there was already a spotlight, but let's make it stronger. So let's see, properties, range, brightness 3. Maybe I make it 10. Does that do anything? Not really. Let's see. Alright, now that's doing a difference. Not much though, is it? Maybe I can make it even stronger than that. Let's make it 400 maybe. Is that too much? Let's see. The whole thing is very bright. If I move it around, maybe it's here. Honestly, that would work. Right. Yeah, that's pretty good. 400, I think. So yeah, let's try that. There is a sound for some reason. It's probably a clicking sound. Yeah, it's a clicking sound. There is an equipping sound. Do I need that? I don't really need that. I don't need the touch interest. I just need the spotlight, the mesh, the sound, and then local script probably plays the sound. Yeah, it plays the sound. And now I'm gonna just look into the tool, like the handle, how the player is handling the tool. And I have a plugin for that. It's called Tool Grip Editor, and it costs 30 Robux. And it's really good because it's really helpful. Like you'll see, you can see that this is how the user is currently handling it. It's like literally inside of his arm. So I'm just gonna edit the tool grip, and you can just change it however you want. That's a bit weird, maybe. How would you normally hold it? It would be like maybe like this. And we can rotate and stuff. I'm probably gonna do something like this, and then that. I think that's pretty good. So like the player holds it like that. You can see that works, I think. We might need to make it a bit lower so that it's not too high. Okay. Also move it forward a bit, just like that. Okay, look at that. Maybe bring it down a bit. Okay, I think that should be good. So we can just exit out of that. Cool, the hand is gone. And now we want to put this in the server storage. So we will access it if the player actually has it. So I removed it, I put it back here. It's called flashlight. I'm going to just name it flashlight without a space there. Everything's good there. Cool. So now what do we have to do? We have to check if the user has it, has the game pass, and then if they do have it, then we just give it to them. And there might be some problems that we'll have to fix, but let's see. Can be dropped out of that to false, because you don't want the player to give his flashlight to other players that didn't buy it. So if can be dropped false, then he can't just remove it from his and it's going to drop. So can we drop this false? Cool. So I'm going to make a server script. I'm going to put it inside the server script storage probably. Let's see, server script storage script. Okay, cool. Let's rename that to flashlight giver. Cool. Now, first thing you want to do is let's get the player service, and game get service players. Let's get the marketplace service, and that just gonna allow us to check if the player has bought the Game Pass. So let's say marketplace service. Wait, which marketplace actually? Game get service, marketplace service. Cool. Now let's get the Game Pass ID. So Game Pass ID. And then how you can get this is just go to the store. And you see in the URL you have this code. And you can just copy that and paste it here. And that's the Game Pass ID. And what we'll need to do is whenever a player joins, so whenever a player joins, we have to go players, player added. No, is that not game? That player added. Wait, where is the player? Whoops. I have to make a player added. So players.player added. Cool. Here it is. So when a player joins, what we want to do is we want to check if the player has bought the Game Pass. So when a player joins, we'll check. So we'll say marketplace dot, and then let's see. Let's see. I forgot what's the name of the thing. Prompt description. Get developer products async. Get attribute first. Prompt Game Pass priorities. Marketplace service. Let's see. Dot get maybe async. I know it's something async. User owns. Yeah, here it is. User owns Game Pass async. Okay, cool. Now we just plug it to a function. We have the user ID. So player. Well, we need the user ID. Wait, does it give us the user ID? Okay, we need to give it to it. So player dot user. Wait. Actually, it's not a function. What am I doing? Okay, so we just give it the user ID and the Game Pass ID. We already have that Game Pass ID. And let's just store this in a variable. So did by flashlight, and it's gonna be a boolean, so true or false. And if he did by the flashlight, it's gonna be true. And then if he didn't, then we don't do anything because he didn't buy it. So if did by flashlight, if he did, then what do we want to do? Then we just want to clone it from the server storage and put it in his backpack. And that's really simple, I think. No, I'm just kidding. So I'm just gonna make a server storage reference game get server storage, get server storage. Okay, cool. And now we can say local flashlight. Oops. Flashlight equals server storage clone. Wait, no. Server storage. Let's get the flashlight from there actually. So local flash. Let's see. I'm gonna name it flashlight model is equal to server storage wait for child flashlight. Perfect. And now you can just copy the flashlight model. Clone. So clone. I think it's a C. Yeah. Okay. Cool. So we just clone the flashlight model. We have to place it inside the user's backpack. So player dot backpack, and that should be it, right? So there might be some problems, like and now that I think about it, maybe if the player dies, then he might not have it anymore. But I'll see how I'll have to fix that. Let's see. Can we do that activation only? Requires handle. Okay. Well, let's try this. And actually, now that I think about it, I'm probably going to make this flashlight like 1 Robux, so I can just buy it, and so I can actually test it. So, well, first of all, I'm gonna publish this, and I'm gonna change this to 1 Robux. Cool. And I'm gonna buy it. So, passes. Can I go back? Okay, I have to go to my game. Roblox.com. Okay. And just buy that. You have successfully bought. Okay, cool. And now we can just publish this. I did. And let's try running that. And it should give me the flashlight, but let's see. Now, one of the problems I might run into is that the flashlight doesn't come back when he dies, but I can make it so that I can check every time he dies or anybody dies to check if they already have the Game Pass and just give it to them again. But let's see. Let's see if we'll run into that. So, I should have something. Let's see. Okay, cool. I have the flashlight, so it does work. It doesn't. Oh my, that is that is a bit flashier than I thought it would be. Yeah. Let's actually see how it works in the. Yeah, that's definitely not how bright I want it to be. Let's see how it works in the night tower. Oh my, yeah, that's a bit too much. It didn't look like that in the studio. Wait, what? It just changed. Everything just changed. What? What? Did it change? No? I don't see anything here. Okay, this is... This is a bit weird. Okay, I'm definitely gonna take it down. Less strong, so let's see. Here. Yeah, less strong. And let's see, the handle looks fine. But let's try to change the settings of that. And also, let's try resetting. And we can see that I do not have it, so we have to fix that problem. Cool. So let's go back to Roblox Studio. Change the flashlight. Let's say the spotlight. I think I'll have to change. Let's see. I'm going to take it back to the workspace so I can see it. Okay. Okay. Let's say I put it in the middle of an obby so we can just simulate. Okay, let's say here. Okay. Let's go to the handle. Wait, yeah. Go to the spotlight. Cool. Change the brightness. What is this? The angle? No. Let's say 100, maybe 120. Nope, that's way too much. Like this, maybe. Okay. And what if I change the range to... Oh, 60 is the most. Okay. And brightness is maybe... Let's see... 100. And maybe we should make that yellow. Like a nice little yellow. Is that good? Maybe, let's see, try and change it to some kind of a, yeah, this would be fine actually. Let's see. Yeah, that's pretty good. So let's try that again, and let's also fix the problem of not giving it to the player when he dies. So here, go back to flashlight giver. Let's say player died. Is there a player died? Okay, wait. How to know when a player dies? I forgot how to do this. How to know when a player dies? Roblox Studio. How to know You can keep track. Every time a player dies. Humanoid that died. Game of players. The player added. Um, let's see. Oh, it's just I can just copy this actually. So let's see. It's inside of here. Player. Okay. So let's add that. Player dot character added. So when their character is actually in the game. Then we check if the character died right here, and then we can just do whatever we want. So I'm just going to put this variable at the top so I can access it again. I don't have to put it again, so I just copy that right here, and then fine, and then we can just take that and put that here, and that should be good, I think, right? Yep, that seems okay. Let's publish that, go back. Cool, Skywalk Towers, open that. And I should probably not forget to take back the flashlight to like 100 Robux, or else we're just gonna buy it or something. But you never know. I might just leave it to 1 Robux for now. But let's see. It shouldn't be too strong. I diminished it like by 4, and I changed some of the range. So let's see, night tower, flashlight. I have it. Okay, that's pretty good. That's actually really good. Yeah. I might choose to make the night tower a bit even like more darker. Is it? Should I? Maybe not actually. And I think I'm gonna change one thing. I don't like that I have to click to actually see the flashlight, so when you just pull it out, then you can just see it, you know? And it's not that strong anymore, so that's good. And let me switch towers. And let's try. Oh my, that is so bright. So what I'm gonna do actually, I'm gonna make it so that they can only access it in the night tower. Maybe. Yeah, actually let's do that. Because now this has to do with the brightness. Like the brightness in this tower is very high. So, you know, it makes it like everything is like a bit weird. So let's do these changes. First off, I have to change it in the description so they're not fooled into thinking that. Configure. Use in the night tower only. Cool. Let's go to the night tower. And okay. What did I want to do? Okay, so let's see. Actually, let's see if the player changes teams. How to check if player changed teams? Let's see that. How to know if player changed teams in Roblox Studio. Let's see. Script, not local script. Is it? No, that's a local script. Yeah, that's the local script. Team service. Okay, cool. That's perfect. So I'm just gonna copy that, and I'm gonna be explaining to you guys. So, team service for underscore team. Okay, perfect. So we're getting each team in my game. This is basically the loop, and then we're checking in each team if there was a player added, and then we do whatever we want with that player. So what I want to do is, if team the name is equal to, and then I have to see what team, what I named it. I named it Night Tower. So I have to make that perfect Night Tower. Then, and then we just want to check if the player did buy a flashlight. So So we can just copy those, copy that variable here. Cool. And we can actually just remove this now that I think about it, because we don't want to give it to them when they join. Okay, good. Good. And then when they change team, so when they go to another tower, we want to remove it if they have one. So, where is it? Here, this is for, okay. Then we can say else. We want to check if they already have a flashlight. So let's say local flashlight equal to player dot backpack, right? Hello. Find first child, and then we'll name that flashlight. Yeah, that's what I mean. We have to put it flashlight. We can't name that. And then we want to check if it actually exists. And you can notice I put find first child because this is not sure to actually. And this just means that I'm not really sure if the user already has it. But if you put wait for child, then it's gonna wait and it's gonna stall your script. But find first child, if it doesn't exist, it's gonna move on. So if flashlight, then we just want to remove it. So flashlight right here and destroy. And that should be it. So let's publish this. And let's also check if it works when we die. Wait, I forgot to add that, I think. Yeah, I forgot to add that. And so, let's when they die, let's check if they're in the team. Let's see. How to know if player died. Oops. This is it. Give up players. Yeah, that's it. Cool. And remove this. Okay. And then I want to check. I have to check how to know if the player is in the night tower. So I have to check how to know team of player Roblox. Player.team.name is equal. Oh, that's it. Okay, so I just get the player.team.name. Okay, cool. So now, if player.team.name is equals to night tower, then we just want to give it back to them. So we just check if they bought it and just give it back to them. It's equal to player.backpack. Player.backpack. Just fix some things. Okay, cool. That should be it. So let's go back to my game. Roblox.com. Towers. Okay, let's hope this works. So if I change teams, it shouldn't be there. If I die in the night tower, it should still be there. So yeah, let's see. Ready. The loading screen. So, okay, cool. Let's go Candy Tower. Shouldn't be there. It's not there. So I switch tower, ice tower, nothing. Switch tower, night tower. Cool, it's there. Oh, I forgot to make it so that I remove the click, but that's okay. I'm gonna do that now. And let's say I switch tower. It is still there. Let's see if there's any errors. Client server. Doesn't seem to be anything, if I'm being honest. Nope. Okay. Well, we'll see what the problem is. And what else did I want to do? Oh yeah, I want to remove the click. Oh man, this is so bad. So yeah, I remove the click and do that. And let's see what happens if I reset now. Okay, so it doesn't give it to me. Okay, that's good, I guess. When I go back to the night tower, let's reset. And I don't have it anymore. Okay. Well, I guess I have to be doing something. That's just. I'm gonna be solving these in another video because this video is gonna get long. But yeah, we're gonna see what's going on here. But I have suspicions. Um. But yeah, I'm gonna be solving it in the next video. I have 3 problems. I have the clicking problem, then the teams changing, and then the resetting. But yeah, that's basically it. By when next video, it's gonna be fixed basically. But yeah, if you want to buy this, I'm gonna keep it at 1 Robux because now it kind of doesn't work. But yeah, if you like to play this game, then go play it. And if you want to join my group, then you can. So yeah, that's gonna be pretty much it, guys.